gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. Oh, he gets there. He recognized the same thing I did, and I could just tap down his lands. Just get a guy up there. I'm kind of stuck on lands too. Let's just hope I draw some more with these sweet spells I have in my hand. Like, I can just run this out probably just about any time. He didn't really have any removal for it. Okay, what is he searching for? So many trinket mages. Yeah. Wait. Getting the beats in, at least. Yeah, now he has more land. It's really bad when your opponent misses land. And you have lands in your hand, and then they get more than you. Yeah, take 2. Go to 20. Pretty good right now. Kinda just hold on my beats. It would be one of my like 7 planes in my deck. Do I wait a turn? Let's play the Chrome Steed. I just play the Chrome Steed. It's only 2-2 right now, but I need some board presence right now. That would just be me wasting a turn. He does not have any white though. He can bounce up to get nothing. Give it haste and start swinging. Yep. Island. Thank you. Normally I just run out the Ardent Sphinx, but now I have Metalcraft. I don't know, that was a very risky move. Him bouncing my Chrome Steed. It was very loose, to say the least. How much do I value? Yeah, I do value the card that highly. So you get a swing here. Yeah, he's not gonna do anything because then he's gonna lose the card. I'm fine with that. I'm gonna tap down his bigger flyer. Go. Arresting him. Like, I'm really, I realize I haven't been talking. My bad. Yeah, he's just gonna block that. I'm gonna kill one of my guys. I don't know which one, but I'm gonna sacrifice it. Now I'm kind of, you know, I'm in a decent position. We're in a race. He has 3 cards, I have 4 cards, I have 2 extra cards right here. I have a volition range. Okay. Before I play another creature. I would love this guy to play another creature. There's 2 artifacts out? Okay. This is a race, sadly, that he cannot win. Yeah, I go to 10. Has he played a land this turn? Yeah, he already played his land this turn. Go to 10. Go to plains. We're gonna play the Contagion Engine. And yeah, make his guys smaller. He has 2 cards in hand. He only has 2 artifacts out. Plays anything big. I just hope he doesn't have another huge flyer. can swing. Let's see what he has. I still have 2 Ardent Sphinx in hand, Volition Reins, and a Halt Order. And I can kill Arrest. Okay, that's fine. It's really nice to know that he has Arrest because he can't arrest my Ardent Sphinx. And I can always just sacrifice it with Coaling Dice. Swing for 3. Okay. That's acceptable. I mean, not to mention, I'm gonna be drawing like tons of cards with that, with this. Kind of actually absurd. And that was actually a really good draw of that land. Gonna do some proliferation. That's okay. Let me do it again. That's okay. Both of his creatures die. Pass the turn. I could have put myself in a position to win next turn. I probably should have done that, but yeah. If he plays an artifact, that's kind of funny. Oh, I'm so dumb. Oh wait, never mind. He does 6, not 4. I was thinking he was at 4. I was thinking that I could take the Volition Reins and get his Strider Harness and equip it, but he's at too much. And he's dead. No reason not to. Guarantee my victory. Okay. Okay. So that's great information because he did have that and I was playing around it. So that does mean that I was making the correct move. Playing around certain cards. In particular this one, which would have rocked my world. Got something big for me that I can counter. Oh, thank God there's only a 6/6. Oh my God. That would have been depressing to say the least. He's tapped out.